What's up guys, just a quick video on stripping down one of these Terrafirma TF149 hydraulic bump stops. This is the threaded one. I can't say it applies to the other ones, but I'd assume the manufacturing process is pretty much the same. Obviously, as you can see, this one's been through some stuff, but we're going to take out a spacer as well, turn this 2-inch bump stop into a 3-inch bump stop, hopefully. So yeah, there's not a lot online on how to do this, so I'm just going to try and make a video the best I can, show you guys how to pull it apart. So first things first, you're going to want to get a tire valve tool or just a screwdriver to release the nitrogen. Make sure you do it in this orientation, because if you do it like this, you will lose your shock oil out of here, and obviously you need to know how much needs to go back in. So I'll release the pressure, put it in the vise, and we'll go from there. Right, so as you can see, we've got our lovely soft jaws in the vise, hold it all in place. So first step, it's so much more simple than you think it's going to be. It's got 3 of these little guys all the way around. Literally going to stick a screwdriver in, all 3, try and do it one-handed, and slowly pry this cap off. Damn it. Now, once you've pried that up, it literally just slides up shaft, then you'll be greeted with all of this gunk and nastiness in here. Go ahead, give it a good of a clean out as you can. If you've got some compressed air, give it a blowout, get all the nasty stuff out, because you don't want it dropping down any further into the bump stop. So once this is all clean, so under here, on this this outside piece is a snap ring, which looks exactly like this. It will be in this little groove here. The easiest way I found to do it myself, I don't know if it's the proper way, but how I've been doing it is I've got a punch with a bit of rag or something, knocked this down past the snap ring, and then pulled the snap ring out, and then pulled this whole lot out. So we'll push the snap ring out now. So I've knocked it down a bit further than I need to, just to show you guys the ring that's in there. There he is. He goes all the way around. As you see, there's more rubbish in there that will need cleaning out before you pull this all the way out. But yeah, the snap ring's just in there. So there you go. As you can see, snap ring coming on out. Just goes round in there like that. So you just get hold of him, pull him out. What I tend to do is I'll take him off completely in a second with 2 hands, and then we'll pull the rest out. So now the snap ring's out. You can grab hold of it and slowly work your way on out of it. It takes a little bit of force because there'll be a little bit of vacuum going on, but just slowly pull it out. Don't pull it too hard, because then you end up with oil everywhere. But yeah, just slowly pull this guy out, and then I'll see you once this is all out. Right, so there you go. That is it all out. That's your valve in, your main seal, and also you'll see in here is tap in with my good finger, a 1-inch spacer. And also, you'll see in here, all our lovely oil that looks not quite so lovely, but yeah, ideal. So now what I'm going to do is strip this down and take the spacer out. Right, so this is the internals of your bump stop. Obviously, you've got your shims, main seal, some more shims, and then here is a 1-inch spacer. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this out because I want a bit more travel out of the bump stop. If you're in here to do seals and stuff, now's the point. Go ahead, take all the seals off that you're replacing, put fresh ones in. These bump stops only seem like, 4 or 5 out-ins, so I don't feel like I need to do the seals at this moment, but yeah. So you just crack off this 13mm. It's on there pretty tight. So what I've taken to doing is just putting the impact gun on it and loosening it off, and holding the shaft by hand. But yeah, so now what I'm going to do is take all of this apart, take the spacer off, put it all back together. Just make sure you put it back together how you took it apart, otherwise you're going to have valving problems. Obviously, reassembly is top up with fresh shock oil. Mine's from Terrafirma, so I get this directly from Terrafirma Factory Racing, TFR, who I have a link below. Everything I've done is been, like, Terrafirma wise, is supplied by them. So head over there, check them out, support the people that support me. And yeah, right, let's get these guys back together. So obviously knock this guy down in. As you can see, I got this split the ring back in, and it's literally a case of getting this cap that I've wedged on there, bringing him down, tapping him in place, and that is how to strip and reassemble one of these bump stops. And then obviously all you got to do, I say all you got to do, is go and get it recharged with nitrogen up to the PSI that you want to run. I'm not entirely sure what these are from factory. I will check that and get some information on screen or something. But yeah, that's it really. And then if you need a nitrogen fill kit, Terrafirma Factory Racing again, have them in stock most of the time. So you can order them direct from there. Spot on. Next, for the next rebuild, we are doing those shocks that I bent the other day, because we bent that, which bent them. Ideal.